Well, here and today was the warmest May day in Ireland on record after a temperature of 28.6 degrees was recorded in County Clare. Met Éireann said the figure was reached at Shannon Airport this afternoon, beating the previous record of 28.4 set in Ardfert in County Kerry in 1997. And they say the warm spell is set to continue for the next 2 days.
A nice day for a white wedding, basking in the banner sunshine along the wild Atlantic Way. It's warmer in Spanish Point than it is in Spain today, with temperatures across the country ranging from 23 to 28 degrees.
It's absolutely fab. I've just moved home from London and I'm like, where would you rather be on a day like today? It's absolutely stunning.
Brushing to see the surfers out at the sea today, and you know it's forecast for the next 2 or 3 days, so I think people got to make the most of it while they can.
Last weekend I was in Bali and this is better, so it's even better than Indonesian surf at the moment. So I might be having to move to Ireland, to be honest.
The record temperature for a day in May was broken today.
It's been a very hot day across the country. Temperatures were in the high 20s in many places, and we have actually broken the national record for the month of May with the temperature of 28.6 degrees at Shannon Airport in County Clare, and that breaks the previous record of 28.4 degrees which was set in Ardfert in Kerry in 1997. So provisionally a new record for the month of May.
A welcome boost for tourism in West Clare.
It's incredible to get this great weather. It's given everyone a huge boost, and it's great to get that real confidence in Irish tourism. The weekend was amazing. We had so many people visit and come through the doors and go out, enjoy the beach, enjoy the area, and we're looking forward to seeing so much more of that over the coming days.
The advice during the fine weather is to wear sunscreen, be careful in the water, stay cool. As temperatures go up, ice cream goes down a treat. Petula Martin, RTE News, Spanish Point, County Clare.